Men are natural charmers when it comes to impressing women and making them obsessed, but some of them are born women-repellents. There's something odd about their personalities that appalls women. If you think women aren't interested in you, then maybe you're one of those men. You don't have to change yourself. However, you should at least be acquainted with the typical behavioral traits that put them off. First off, women don't want a misogynist around them who doesn't leave any opportunity to degrade women. Reminding women that they belong to the inferior sex doesn't make you desirable. Rather, you give off vibes of being a sexist. They also don't like men who can't even stand up for themselves. Acknowledging whatever she says to impress her might charm her a bit, but after a while, she'll start seeing you as a spineless man. You should stand up when required. Being a gym freak isn't going to help you if you still have the mentality of a young teenager. Moreover, women dislike naive and immature men. If you can't even get a decent job and don't have an ambition in life, you don't stand a chance with women. Women don't love a man that bluffs with words and expects much more than they can offer themselves. Otherwise, radio jockeys would have been the ones with most women. If you won't follow your own words, women will run miles away from you. With that being said, let's discuss 6 ways to make any woman obsessed with you. Number 1. Confidence and trustworthiness. In case you believe in yourself and know who you truly are, you'll attract women. Being confident means being comfortable with your own personality and believing that you're worthy of their attention. Women admire the positive energy that a confident man puts out in the world, as long as that confidence doesn't change into egotism. Moreover, being trustworthy and honest is more appealing to women. If you're truthful and speak from your heart, women will put their efforts into pursuing you as they can trust you at your word. After all, a woman deserves to know whether she can rely on you or not. Number 2. Act as leader. You should start acting as a leader if you want women to be obsessed with you. Excel at communication, speak warmly, and avoid vulgar language. Communication isn't just about talking, it also refers to listening to what the other person has to say. Additionally, you should think before you speak and remain calm in tense situations. You should be able to diffuse bad situations and take a moment to think before reacting. Women love a man who knows how to keep their cool under tense conditions. They know that the person who can hold their temper to prevent escalations during arguments is a man they can rely upon. Whenever you face a problem, never react emotionally with frustration and try to focus on addressing the problem and finding solutions. Number 3. Emotional availability. Women prefer an emotionally honest man rather than one who is emotionally unavailable. Expressing feelings might feel a little awkward in the beginning, but you have to show a vulnerable and human side to them to build a healthy relationship. Women tend to love men who aren't afraid to demonstrate their feelings, instead of a man who keeps everything bottled up inside of him. A man who expresses feelings is respected by other men too. Listen, the easiest way to make women obsessed with you is by gaining the respect of other men. A simple way to make other men respect you is by standing up for yourself. Some people believe that taking on responsibilities such as working on more projects at a time will help them gain the respect of other men. It isn't true, because you shouldn't agree to every opportunity. Refusing people will tell them that you value your time and believe firmly in quality over quantity. You shouldn't fight or refuse in an ill-mannered way. Be polite and decline with a smile. Don't feel guilty about standing up for yourself. Speak instantly if you have to share an idea or a thought. Your opinion matters, and you must voice them to bring your ideas to the table. People appreciate and respect when someone has the guts to say something extraordinary, especially when they're nervous. Avoid being passive-aggressive about your opinions and speak directly about your intentions. In case you're an introvert and are not used to speaking up, you should practice what you want to say beforehand. Speaking up for yourself and your opinions doesn't mean that you're passing judgment verbally, so voice your opinions when they matter. Besides, you can't please everyone, so you shouldn't allow anyone to take advantage of you by being nice, because it shows that you don't respect yourself enough. Build your boundaries so that people will know how they should behave around you, because being too nice can also result in people thinking that you're a fake person. If you feel like someone's taking advantage of you or mistreating you, don't be silent about it. Stand up for yourself, but it doesn't mean that you lash out in response. Be polite to them while you do it. It can be scary, which is why men will respect you for doing it. Number 4. Maturity and respect. To communicate and develop a perfect and successful relationship, you need to treat women respectfully. If a woman ever feels like being taken for granted or treated poorly, she'll dump you to avoid a broken heart in the future. She'll be more drawn to a man who cares for her and gives her the respect that she deserves. It's important to show that you're not only emotionally mature, but also mentally mature and capable of acting like a grown-up when required. If you're mature and respect other human beings, you're likely to receive a similar gesture from them. Number 5. Integrity and compassion. The integrity of a man refers to his moral character. A woman desires a man who is honorable, fair, and ethical. Integrity could strengthen the bond with other people, and if you have strong moral principles, your kindness and fairness will be answered with respect. In addition to integrity, you must be compassionate and empathetic to make women love you. They want a man they can talk to, whether it's about personal life or regarding their deepest hopes and fears. Being empathetic refers to your ability to understand the point of view of others and sympathize with what they're going through. You'll be loved by women if you develop an ability and desire to show concern for others. And finally, number 6, living up to your commitments. Women will deem you unreliable if you don't live up to your commitments. You should change the habit of making promises that you can't keep. When you'll prove your dependability, women will believe that they can count on you and will eventually be obsessed with you. Respecting others requires telling them the truth. Suppose that you've decided on a date night with your girl, but due to some reason, you can't make it. Let your girl know that you can't come and don't keep her waiting. Women won't be interested in you if they'll get a hint that you don't value their time. Try to live up to your commitments with women and show that you value them. This way, they won't lose interest and might even get obsessed with you over time. You should pay attention to your surroundings and help others whenever possible. Women love men that are willing to offer help whenever needed. It demonstrates your care and affection towards other people, which never fails to gain their respect. Also, reach out to women when you need help, because asking them for help will make them feel valued and prioritized. It also shows that you're vulnerable like everyone else and dare to admit to your weaknesses. If you've reached this far, don't forget to show some love. Tap that subscribe button and hit the like for the algorithm. To see the next best way to level up as a man, watch these videos here.